Hey there, and welcome to Crochet Therapy. I'm Barbara, your host for this episode of Morning Coffee and Crochet. And as you can see, I'm inside my room and my craft room, and I have my coffee mug. Take a look. I'm still doing the Christmas in July. This is a Christmas llama, and on the other side, it says fa la 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 llama. So that's what I'm doing today. And because it's so dang hot, I decided to go with iced coffee this morning. So, so good. I love hot coffee. I love iced coffee. I love coffee ice cream. I love coffee candy. You know those little chocolate covered coffee beans that you can get from Trader Joe's? Don't know if you've ever gotten them, but oh my goodness, if you like coffee, try them out. They're delicious. So happy Monday. Today is the day that we are going to do our Monday motivation. And then I'm just going to talk a little bit about a whip that I'm currently trying to get completed. And then we'll be on our way to a Monday, a happy week, a happy Monday. So I actually have two quotes for our Monday motivation. These were quotes that really spoke to me. I've talked before here about this first one. And so when I saw this and I saw who wrote it or who said it, I had to share it with you. Honesty and transparency make you vulnerable. Be honest and transparent anyway. And that's from Mother Teresa. So a woman who devoted her whole life to others. And so I really like this. I believe in being honest and transparent. I believe in sharing of yourself, of the goodness of yourself with others, and sharing your vulnerable parts too, so that others don't feel like they're alone. And so that's why I do this. I love crochet. I love yarn. I love making things. I love being creative. I love how it makes me feel. I love how soothing it is. And yes, I deal with anxiety and depression, and just normal stressors of the day. But let's get real, people. This is 2020. And 2020 is like extra special. We're going to leave it at that. Extra special. So this brings me to my second quote. And this person I have a lot of respect for as well as the first one, Mother Teresa. But this one really spoke to me as well. And I might have to read it this way. Hope is being able to see that there is light despite all the darkness. And that's from Desmond Tutu, Archbishop Desmond Tutu. And so when I saw this, it really spoke to me as well. So I hope that it speaks to you. I hope that it gives you a little bit of motivation to have some extra hope this week, have some extra openness, honesty, transparency, and just have hope that even though, it feels like dark times, 2020 can just go away. But we don't want to wish our life away. So we're just going to have hope that with each and every day of 2020, that things will get better and better and better, and we'll be able to have conversation with one another, and we'll be able to just improve the lives of others around us and bless the lives of others around us, and in turn we will be improved and blessed as well. So these are my two motivations for today. So here we go. One more time. And I hope that they speak to you. I know that they spoke to me. So next part, Whips, whips. You know, there really should be a song, and I know that, you know, I want a whip, I want a nay-nay. Not that coordinated. I can't sing that song. And to be honest with you, I'm old enough so that when I do sing it, the younger folk look at me like, oh, there goes that old lady singing that song. Oh, yeah. So I try to refrain. I try to refrain. So that rattling that you heard was me taking my whip out of my bag, my trusty, hefty bag. And I can see that I'm going to have to load it up with some more red and white because the red is almost gone and the white is over halfway gone. So I don't want to run out as I take this with me and as I do my whip. So, you know, my grandson, I had told you before, he had asked for an American flag type blanket. And so I found a sweet little project, and I just saw a picture. I didn't look at the pattern. I just saw the picture and I said, do you want something like this? And he said, yes, that's perfect. So I said, okay, I will do that. So basically I'm doing red and white stripes. And so this is, and I just, you know, I made it as long as I thought would cover his 10-year-old body, you know, while he was in the bed, so that it could stretch this way, you know. And so we have red and white stripes, and I am doing a half double crochet, to be honest with you, because it's quick. And I like a half double crochet because it's better than a single crochet because you get some height, but it's better than a half double crochet because all you have to do is yarn over, go through the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. Woo! And you're done. You don't have to pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so that, call me lazy. Go ahead. I don't care. Anyway, it's super quick. But I just haven't had time to really work on it. And so I've started working on it. And my goal is this next week to get it done. So we're doing, what I did was 3 rows of red, 3 rows of white, 3 rows of red, 3 rows of white. And I used an extra large hook. I used a 7 milli hook from Clover. I really like this hook. It's lightweight. Yes, it's plastic. It zips through this like butter. So, you know, there's no snag, there's no nothing, which is why I like it too. So I'm using the 7 milli hook. I am doing half double crochet, 3 rows of each color. So yes, there's a lot of changing of the color, but you know, this is going to be really, really pretty and impressive once I get it done. So then once I get this as wide as I need it, and you know, if I had thought about this a little bit better and I didn't, I would have made the stripes maybe 5 wide, and I would have made sure that I had 13 to really represent the flag. You know, 13 stripes, 7 red and 6 white. But you know, hindsight is 20/20, and I've already got this going, and I've already got 3 rows, 3 rows, 3 rows. I don't want to switch it up. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm probably going to have more than 13 stripes, but that's okay. And then I have this really pretty blue, which is, where is it? Right. Where is that blue? Oh, right here. I have a really pretty blue. And this is Yarn Lane Impeccable Yarn by Loops and Thread. So I have this really nice royal blue. Let's see, the color is royal. Well, there you go. It is a royal blue. It is a true royal blue. I really like it. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to do half double crochets all the way around, all the way around, all the way around until I get a really thick border all the way around. And then I'm going to use the white and make 50 stars. And I'm going to divide them and place them, sew them onto the blue. of the blanket. And so that's my plan. I cannot wait. I think it's going to be really pretty. And my grandson is super excited. Super excited. Every time I talk to him, every time I see him, Grammy, do you have my blanket done yet? I'm working on it, sweetie pie. Okay, Grammy. And he is so patient. And when he saw this, when he saw how much progress I made, he said, "Oh, Grammy, you are doing great with my blanket." And I said, "Oh, well, thank you." So he's very sweet and very kind. And he's super excited. So I want to get it done. It's kind of motivated me to just, focus to get this done. There's so many things that can pull my attention. As all of my whips, got lots of whips, but this is soon to be a completed project. So I'm going to be really happy about that. So I do have to, like I said, refill the bag and keep it at the ready so that it can go with me wherever I go. And then I can work on it, at any given moment. The only thing I might have done a little different is that, that initial chain. But I think once I get the border on, it'll be okay. But you know how that initial chain can get really tight. But anyway, this is half of it. This is half. So I think it's going to be really, really nice. And I'm just super excited about it. So that is what I have been working on. And, when you've got, outside employment and just, different things, you just do the best you can. And, if it were up to me, I would be a professional crocheter. But I would want to give away all my stuff. I don't want to sell it. I wouldn't mind selling one piece for $20,000, every 6 months, and then give everything else away. Just enough to pay for my habit. Which, I don't spend that much on yarn yet. So I probably will never spend that much on yarn because, wow. I was talking to my husband the other day about, now if we won the lottery, I would want to do, and everything. And he was like, "Oh, but that's going to cost a lot of money." And I said, "Well, wait a minute. We have won the lottery, remember, in this scenario?" And he's like, "Oh, yeah, I forgot." Okay, yeah, we can do that. Do you ever do that? Do you ever think, if I won the lottery this weekend, this is what I would do? Unfortunately, I do that a lot. I think that's the hope coming out. The hope. Hope. So hope is being able to see that there is light despite all the darkness. Yeah. So anyway, well, I will let you go. I hope that you have a great week. I hope that that this week finds you enjoying a lot of blessings and a lot of good things coming your way. I hope that that things start to calm down in the news, and that we as Americans can come together and really be there for one another. And I miss that. I'm really brokenhearted about the divisiveness in our country right now. Not necessarily the divisiveness, but the division in our country. It just seems like there's so many sides, and I just want us all to be friends. I just want us all to be friends, and care for one another, and be kind to one another, and show love to one another. And so anyway, I still have hope. And I'm going to hold on to that through this, that goodness will prevail, and that good people will rise up and just show love, show extra love to those who need it. When I was talking to Tanya, my sweet sister-in-law who teaches children, she teaches young children, pre-K, and we talked about how, sometimes the children that act up the worst are the ones that need the most love. And so, I don't know, maybe that's what's happening right now. The world is needing extra love. But so anyway, love on the ones that you're around, love on the ones that you come in contact with, spread extra joy wherever you can. And I'm going to do the same. And I will see you tomorrow, because tomorrow I have Lori coming back. I'm going to show you an episode of Crochet Chit Chat that we made that same day that she came over. We made 3 episodes, and the third one was where we used her Yarn Swift, and I got to use the Yarn Swift for the very first time, and it was so exciting. It was like a merry-go-round kind of a thing. Anyway, I really liked it. I hope that you enjoy it. You know, we laughed and had a good time also while we were doing that, and it was really fun to see. And I decided I really need a Swift because it was pretty awesome. So I hope that you enjoy it. Anyway, check us out tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell so that you can be notified when there's new episodes that come out. And anyway, I will see you tomorrow. So be safe, be kind, and get hooking. Bye, everybody.